Now, can we just pretend that we are not in the triple digits here in Arizona? Because I woke up craving an atole de avena with some chocolate abuelita. The avena and the chocolate mixed together just make this drink super amazing. Let me show you how I made this. To begin with, in my blender, I'm going to add in 2 cups of whole milk. You can use any milk that you like, 1 cup of oats, and 1/3 cups of sugar. I'm using Zulka brand. Going to blend this well. Going to set this aside, and in my pot, I'm going to add in 4 cups of water. Along with that, I'm going to add in 2 cinnamon sticks and 1 chocolate abuelita disc. With my heat set on a low, I'm going to just stir this until all the chocolate melts. Now that the chocolate has melted, I'm going to add in all my mixture, and I'm going to just keep mixing this, still having my heat on a low until I reach my desired consistency. And this is how I like my atole. If you like it thicker, you want to just keep stirring. This is all done, and it is time to serve it. I cannot wait to try this. It looks super delicious, super good. I know it's going to be amazing. And now the moment has come. Let's try this delicious atole. Yep, love it. Keep this recipe because you will definitely want to make it.